Hello guys, I hope you and your loved ones are safe and good. This video is in continuation with Mind Your Mind series, which is an initiative brought up by COVID awareness campaign by Lead India and the US Embassy. So today we are going to discuss about stress. It's some of the examples of the stress and some of the suggested solutions to cope up with the stress. So let's dive into video. Oh, I have to submit it by tomorrow. This is not becoming right. Oh, why my enter is not working? Enter key is not working. Oh, shit. Oh, I have to restart it again. Pick up. Pick up. Why is not picking up my phone? Let me call again. Not only these cases, there are also various other life situations. For example, when you WhatsApp someone and if they haven't replied you, but they have seen your message, and if it is especially your loved ones, you may be feeling a kind of ignorance, a kind of stress because you may be thinking why he or she is not replying to my message, why they are ignoring me. All these things will be coming in our mind. And another thing is that which happened to myself is that when I try to book vaccine slots for my father, it was very much humiliating for me. I tried for 1 hour for for a week, and I didn't get the slots for him. So it was very much stressed. I was very much stressed out due to that action. There are also various other life situations which you may have experienced. Okay, so let us now define what is stress actually. There is no particular definition for stress. So it is a kind of feeling overwhelmed, or you are not able to cope up with your mental and emotional pressure, right? All these things are happening in everyone's home. It is common. It is common to everyone, not only for you. It is for me, and it is everyone around the society, right? So, but the situation may be different to different person. However, it is our responsible, and we should try to be calm and try to focus on things which you can do, right? So there are a lot of various things which you can do to protect your mental health and to check upon yourself and to check upon your loved ones as well. So now let's get back into solutions. So before that, I have two friends to help me in this video as well. So let's call them. Punni Kutta, Appunni. So now let's get back into solutions. So the first solution is mindfulness. Mindfulness is a basic ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we are doing, and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what is happening around us. So when you are feeling stress, the most easiest way to get rid out of that stress is being mindful of yourself. You don't have to be always, do medication and all. Just close your eyes and feel your breath for 5 minutes. You will feel the change. And you can do this at anywhere at any time. So, the second solution is journaling. Journaling is just to put it out in a paper what you feel. So, if you are stressed out, take a paper and start writing down what you feel. You will feel a change after journaling. So, writing helps you creativity flow. It helps you to solve problems, track your personal patterns of behavior, and be honest with yourself about what you are feeling in your everyday life. So why waiting? Start journaling. So the next solution is to do things which makes you happy. You can play with your loved ones and have fun. Or you could connect with your friends as well. When you are stressed or pissed out, when someone calls you, it will help you feel better actually. So it is much more helpful for you. Just a sec. Oh, I got a call from my friend. I'm going. There are also various other solutions which you can think of. For example, you can have a good diet, do regular exercises which makes you fit, And also try to have a good sleep of at least 6 hours, because it energizes you for the next day. And you could also hear your favorite music, you could watch good movies, and you could also eat your favorite dishes. I hope these steps are helpful for you, and more than anything, love yourself. Just a few more seconds, guys. We know that when the COVID-19 was hit, we were sitting in home. But there are certain categories of people who were helping the society despite having so much risk exposure to the virus. So one of the category is frontline health workers. They were the people who administer vaccine for us, and they were the people who was the link between the society and the healthcare system. Indeed, on behalf of ELSA, I would like to express my gratitude and appreciation towards their courage and enthusiasm. But wait, they do have a message to the society as well.
We are always with you and we will win against COVID-19.
We will win against COVID-19. Thanks for watching this video. Do let us reach out through our social media handles if you are facing any kind of mental issues. We are always there for you. And always make sure that you adhere to COVID protocols by wearing masks and sanitizing properly when you are going outside. Be safe, take care, thank you.